Gather round, gather round. Top Cyberdog, back again with another W. I'm excited to share my latest investigation into the detection and investigation of a possible CVE 2023-29357 exploitation. In this walkthrough, I explored how attackers might leverage this vulnerability for privilege escalation on a Microsoft SharePoint server. Some key takeaways are how to analyze potential indicators of compromise, the importance of monitoring for post-exploitation activities, step-by-step guidance on utilizing tools within the SOC to detect, investigate, and respond to critical vulnerabilities. Give the article a read if you're interested in CVEs, and I'm gonna wrap up my next alert investigation for my day 100 streak. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.